Welcome back, chess lovers. Today we dive into a nasty and brilliant opening trap from the game between Mualox and Madison played in 1985. It's short, it's sharp, and it's deadly. We're looking at the Alapin opening gone horribly wrong for white. Let's break it down move by move. Don't blink, or you might miss the trap. e4, e5. We start with the classic king's pawn opening. Both sides take control of the center, a calm and standard beginning. And here comes a surprise, knight e2. This is the Alapin opening. A rare and unorthodox idea. White plans to support f4 without allowing early exchanges or pins on the knight. But this passive square blocks the queen and bishop and gives black early chances. Knight f6. Black develops naturally, hitting the e4 pawn. Solid. Third move to f4. White pushes ahead aggressively. This resembles the king's gambit or Vienna gambit ideas. White challenges the center, but at what cost? Third move to black, knight cross e4. Black accepts the challenge. Takes the pawn, and this is totally playable. White has invited early tactics, and black obliges. Fourth move to white d3. Kicking the knight, forcing it to decide. This also opens the light-squared bishop's diagonal. Knight c5. The knight retreats, but lands on a powerful outpost. It eyes e6, d3, and covers critical central territory. Black isn't backing down, just repositioning smartly. Fifth move to f cross e5. White grabs back material. But now the center is wide open and the king is still stuck in the middle. Fifth move to black, knight c6. Black calmly develops the other knight. Notice, no flashy tactics yet, just clean development with subtle threats. Sixth move to white d4. A bold central push by white, trying to take full space and drive the knight off c5. There's also a suggestion. Sixth move to black bishop f4, developing the bishop before opening the center could be more solid. Sixth move to black queen h4 check. And boom! The trap is triggered. Black begins the attack with queen h4 check. This is a classical tactic punishing white for not castling and overextending early. Seventh move to g3. White tries to block the check, but this weakens the light squares fatally. Alternate move was seventh move to knight g3, but even that leads to danger. Seventh move to black queen e4 check. Another check. Black's queen now hits e4, and things start crumbling. This is relentless pressure. Eighth move to black rook g1. White desperately develops a rook, but this is awkward. The king is still stuck in the center, and coordination is collapsing. Eighth move to black knight cross d4. Black sacrifices a knight. Wait, or is it a sacrifice? Now white is forced to respond, but everything is under fire. Ninth move to white queen cross d4. White captures. What else? But this opens the d-file and clears the way for more destruction. Ninth move queen cross c2. Black strikes again, now grabbing the c2 pawn with check. A devastating blow. The white king is totally exposed. White tries to defend with knight f4, finally developing something. But it's too little, too late. 10th move to queen cross c1 check. And bang! Another check. Black continues the queen's rampage. The king is forced to move, no way to block or castle now. What a masterclass in trap setting by Madison. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more deadly traps, and comment below, have you ever fallen for or used a trap like this? See you in the next video, and as always, stay sharp and play smart.